Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete your Netflix account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.netflix.com and hit enter. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, sign into your account and then click on your profile option on the top right corner of your screen. Now once the drop down menu appears on your screen, click on this account button. After you click on the account button, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, on the left side of your screen, just below the membership and billing section, you'll see the cancel membership option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the cancel membership option, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to fill in the required credentials and then cancel your membership. Now once you cancel your membership, you'll be signed out of your Netflix account. If you want to recover all your data and your membership, you'll have to log in the next 10 days. Now if you want to delete all your details from Netflix instantly, you'll have to send an email to privacy@netflix.com. If you want to delete all your details from Netflix instantly, you'll have to send an email requesting it to Netflix. As you can see on my screen, open up your Gmail account and click on this compose button. Now enter privacy@netflix.com. Put in a subject saying Netflix account delete and then put in the body saying I want to delete my details from Netflix instantly, and then hit the send button. Once you hit the send button, the request will be sent to Netflix. They will do a thorough check for your identity and then your account and all your details will be instantly deleted. I hope this video helped you to delete your membership or your account on the Netflix website or the Netflix application. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.